Need to uninstall NAPS2 from your computer. Whether you're freeing up space, troubleshooting an issue, or planning to install a newer version, I'll show you the complete uninstall process step by step. We'll also look at how to remove any leftover files if you want a completely clean uninstall. Before uninstalling, make sure NAPS2 is completely closed. If it's still running, close the application and check the Task Manager to ensure there are no NAPS2 background processes still active. Yeah, this helps prevent any files from being locked during the uninstall process. Next, open the Windows Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps, or Apps and Features on some versions of Windows. Scroll through the list until you find NAPS2. Click the menu next to NAPS2 and choose Uninstall. Confirm any prompts that appear, then wait while Windows removes the application. The process usually only takes a minute or so, depending on your computer. If you're planning a completely fresh installation, you can also remove any leftover configuration files after uninstalling. These files may contain saved scan profiles, preferences, or log files. This step is optional, but it can help if you're trying to fix persistent software issues before reinstalling. Finally, restart your computer to complete the removal. If you plan to reinstall NAPS2 afterward, you can now download the latest version and install it with a clean setup. Yeah, restarting also helps clear any temporary files that were still in use. And that's how to uninstall NAPS2 from your computer. Whether you're removing it permanently or preparing for a fresh installation, these steps will help ensure the process goes smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.